Yeah, you can also get now. So on the screen here is the pen weighing scale, and the way it works is very simple. When you put too much stuff on one side, it weighs down on that side, and the needle in the middle moves over. Well, this is a special type of scale because on it are two types of models. Well, first, what is a model? A model is a way to mimic real life. It is a way to represent how the real world works. For example, you can build a model that can mimic dengue. What is dengue? Dengue is an infectious disease that is transmitted by these little mosquitoes. They're very famous because they are black and white like a zebra. So back to the scale, on the right-hand side, we have mathematical models. What are these? They are models that are represented using mathematical equations. They are built using scientific understanding and represented through mathematical equations. Most of the time, it is good, but sometimes it can be a bit too restricting because the more mathematical equations that you add into the model, it can be much slower to run. On the left-hand side here, we have machine learning models. What is machine learning models? Well, they are simpler models that trying to find the relationships between all the data that you throw into it. It doesn't really care about the science behind the data, how the data is generated, how things should interact with each other. It's just throwing a bunch of data into this black box, and then it put out some numbers. So my research objective is to find what is the best model to predict dengue. It can be a pure mathematical model, it can be a pure machine learning model, or it can be a combination of both. Or it can be a little bit of math, but a lot of machine learning, or it can be the other way around. My research objective is to find this perfect balance between these two models to build the final forecast model that can best predict dengue. And with this model, it can help public health officials to better prepare and distribute public health resources during the dengue outbreak seasons. Thank you.